I like this, but the design is very busy.
Okay.
If you have this background is busy, right? If you have something in front that's less busy, it'll stand out. Otherwise, it might get lost.
Now let's see if we can find one more.
Sure,
Not
which
this one. But
Okay.
we're going to keep this.
All right. You want me to find the design?
Yeah.
Okay.
And in that.
Yeah. All right.
Oh,
You just look at it.
Pretty.
But have a look at others.
Do it.
Sure. Take your time. Take your time. Bring your chair. I can give it a scout.
Okay.
Just point to what you want, and I'll
Okay.
get it for you. I'm not in a rush.
Oh, good.
Take your time.
Okay.
All right. Just look. How about this one? Just try it. Take a look. You don't have to agree.
No, it's too busy.
Okay. Let's forget. Have a good evening.
Thanks a lot.
Bye. Goodbye, ma'am.
So appreciate it.
No problem. Bye.